Oh, kia ora tamariki mā. I'm so excited to see you. Koari te koutou? Oh, you know what that means? It's toy time. Bye, mai.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Maya, can I please eat one?
Ricky, kia ora kōrua. Oh, look who's here.
Oh, hey, welcome back. We've made cookies. Titiro.
Yum. Are those for koro?
We thought you might like to take some with you for when you go for your visit.
Really? Tēnā kōrua. Koro will love these.
My Nana loves cupcakes. And I make her cupcakes with icing and sprinkles, and she makes me fried bread. Yum.
Well, it's no Nana's fried bread, but I do make a pretty yummy chocolate chip. Would you like to try?
Yes, please.
Hey, Sharesies. Oh, catch those cookies.
One day my papa sailed in his waka. Through the moana he would row, row, row. One day my papa sailed in his waka. Across the Pacific he would go, go, go. Aotearoa, everybody sing along to the song. Oh, my whaka papa from my papa on the waka is where I belong. One day our papa sailed in their waka. Through the moana they would row, row, row. One day our papa sailed in their waka. Across the Pacific they would go, go, go. Aotearoa, everybody sing along to the song. Oh, our whaka papa from our papa on their waka is where we belong. Aotearoa, everybody sing along to the song. Oh, our whaka papa from our papa on their waka is where we belong. Oh, our whaka papa from our papa on their waka is where we belong.
These look so good, I can almost smell them.
My nanny loves growing puti-puti. She has lots of different colours and they smell so good. Ooh, my nanny is always singing when she's gardening. Oh, it makes me want to dance.
Tēnā kōrua.
Tēnā koe e koro.
Kia ora moko puna mā.
Anei, e noho koro.
Mami. I just heard the most beautiful manu tiori.
Yes. We have lots of manu that fly around our garden. Ta-da!
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today I'm out here in the taiao. Hoa ke tātou. Te ate rito te hara keke, kei hea te ko mako. Hey, guess what? Today I've been thinking about all of my kaumātua. Oh, I love them. Did you know that my kuia made me this peke? A tāhua ne. Oh, that gives me an idea. Harakeke. Ah! Check it out! Pa harakeke. Ooh. Hey, back in the days, me and my kuia used to spend all of our time outside. She'll be doing her beautiful rāranga. Oh, I'd be over there being a haututu. Put that chicken down, Buzz! Oh. But when I did focus, she would tell me the most amazingest stories. And she told me about taku pa harakeke. Come, I'll show you. Titiro, te whānau harakeke. Te rito, ngā mātua, ngā kaumātua. And that's why my kuia said I'm so loved and nurtured and nourished and special. And oh, that boy's handsome. He's got those pounamu green eyes and he's fast athletics. It's because I'm protected by my whānau. There's me in the middle, and then my parents either side of me looking after me, and then my grandparents outside of them, and all of my tipuna. Taku pa harakeke! Oh, my nan was pretty clever and wise and beautiful and amazing. Oh, I'll see you next time, cuzzies. Ka kite anō. Hey, so fire. I was thinking later on we could get some giraffes. Oh.
Grandma, Grandpa, I love you. And I know you love me too. Grandma, Grandpa, do you see that you make me so happy? What do you reckon? Do you think Grandma and Grandpa will like my waiata? Okay. Grandma makes me yummy kai. Grandpa, you're the awesome, choicest, bestest guy. My grandma really does make the best kai. She makes yummy pikelets and the best scones. They're her favourite. Grandpa, well, he's an awesome fisherman. And he's the best builder. One time he made this cool-as wooden plane. Oh, I've got it. Okay. Grandma, Grandpa, I love you. Hee-hee. And I know you love me too. Woo, woo. Grandma makes me yummy kai. And Grandpa built a plane to fly. Yeah. Grandma, Grandpa, it is true. Grandma, Grandpa, I love you. I love you. I'm such a good songwriter. Don't you think?
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching two by two. The little one stops to tie his shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching three by three. The little one stops to climb a tree, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 4 by 4. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops to shut the door, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 5 by 5. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. The little one stops to take a dive, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom.
Shh. Ooh, Buzz is on his way. He's gonna teach me a new game to play with my nan. Ooh. Shh, shh, shh.
Knock, knock.
Oh, who's there?
Tank.
Oh, Tank who?
Thank you.
Oh, Buzz!
Riki. Woo! As promised.
Whoa! Why, thank you, Buzz.
Nobody loves games more than Buzz does. That's us.
Ooh.
There you go. We're ready.
Oh.
All right. It's Takaro time, and the name of the game is Fish. Oh, the aim of the game is to fish for as many pairs as you can. Marama?
Marama, the moon.
Oh, no. Marama means do you understand?
Oh, Marama. Then no, I don't understand.
Oh, that's all good. It goes like this. All right. Fish, fish, do you have a cow?
Oh, I do have a coat. See? Does that mean I win?
Oh, no, it means I got a point. And they...
Oh.
Oh, cool. All right, there we go. And because I got it right, I get to have another go. All right.
Okay.
Ready? Fish, fish, do you have a dog?
Ka hore, I don't have a dog.
Oh, then you say go fish.
Oh, go fish.
Cool. There we go. It's your turn.
Oh, my turn. Fish, fish, do you have a pea?
Let me see. I do. Yippee.
Yes! Oh, kia rite mai hoa. There's a new fisherman in town. Fish, fish, do you have a hoi ho?
You wish. Go fish.
Better keep practicing.
All right, fish, fish, do you have a tui?
I don't have a tui.
Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see.
Who's got a mother? A mum? A mama?
Do you have a father? A dad? A papa?
What about siblings? A sister? A brother? And grandparents? Nan and Pop? Granddad and Grandma?
Your whānau might live in your house. They might live on your street. Some might live far, far away, and seeing them might be a treat. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see.
Do you have an auntie? She's the sister of your mum or dad. What about uncles? He's the brother of your dad or mum.
Do you have any cousins? Do you get to play? If they live far, far away, when you see them, do you shout hooray?
Families all look different. There's not one way they all should be. You might have one, you might have none. You might have 10 or 5 or 3. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see.
Oh, that's a big sigh for a little bunny. Kei te pai koe, Oma?
Kia ora, Wolfie.
Oh. Would you like to talk about it?
Well, it's just that my Pop and my Nonny Hop live very, very far away. I don't get to see them a lot.
Your Pop
Pop!
and Nonny.
Pop!
Oh.
E tino moki au. I miss them an awful lot.
Oh, I know. How about we call your Pop and Hop? I'm sure they'd like to talk to you too.
Oh, Wolfie! I would love to! Oh, thank you!
Kei te whai, Oma.
Kia ora!
Kia ora! Pop and Hop.
When you're feeling sad, when you're feeling blue, my ears are here to listen and my shoulders too. And if you feel like crying, sniff, sniff away. You know that I'll be here for you, here to stay. 'Cause I'm your friend. It's so easy 'cause I love you. I'm your friend. It's so easy 'cause I love you. I'm your friend. What would we ever do without our friends? I've got you. You know that you can hold my hand. Just sit still, breathe in and out. I understand. Without our friend, I've got you. You know that if you feel like crying, know that I'll be here for you. Breathe in and out. I understand, 'cause I'm your friend.
Hi! We're making a family walker. The walker will have photos of our family in it. This is my family walker, and I chose to colour them with my mum and my dad and my favourite colours. Inside here, we're going to put photos of our family. I wanted to choose these colours because they're my favourite colour and my family's and my mum and my dad. So I wanted to make my walker beautiful so my whole entire family can be happy about it. We chose special shapes for our walker. Yep, and now we live. I chose these two because I liked how pretty they were, and I liked this one because I liked nature and it's celebrating the ocean. Our family walkers look really good. Andy, you might be right. This is my finished cutout walker. This is my finished walker, so I can fit my whole entire family in with me while my brother was leaving the farm. He shows them to our friends. My dad's parents. We all have special families. Grandma and dad and mum. This is me. This is my brother that's going to France. We love our families very much. Our family walker goes on our wall. So our family is always with us. A tiny fire protects our walker. We love our family waka. Bye!
Tēnā koe, mōhio, kei kona koe.
Kia ora, Jojo. Kei konei ahau. How can I help you?
I'm planning the bestest visit ever to my koro's whare, and I have snacks and a game and a gift. But what are some other things I could do with koro?
How about a puzzle?
Oh, yeah.
You could also put on a show or read a book.
Ah, perfect. I know just the puka puka I want to choose. Ooh, hey, maybe I could make a show of my favourite book. Kei te mōhio a mōhio ki ngā mea katoa. Thanks, mōhio.
Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. Pepi mako do 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 do. Pepi mako do 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 do. Pepi mako do 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 do. Pepi mako. Pepi mako do 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 do. Pepi mako do 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 do. Pepi mako do 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 do. Pepi mako. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end.
Oh, that's a very serious looking face.
Yes, ma'am. We're about to have some serious fun.
Oh, yes, of course. So, what's in the box today, Ehua?
You're gonna have to put your hands in and find out.
Okay. Curious. Curious indeed. Well, it's small, wooden, with a handle on the top.
So what do you think it is? Come on.
I think it might be a spinning top.
Aye, it is.
Oh, Anna. Wow. My mama had one of these when she was little.
Oh.
Titiro.
Whoa.
Kia tū pato.
Whoa.
Kai te pai koe.
Aye.
You're right, Ricky. This is serious fun.
Let's go again. I want to try. Whoa.
Today is Te Reo class. Our teacher is Matua Kahu. First we do a karakia.
Kapai whānau. Lovely to see you all again. Hope.
We are learning some special waiata.
Kia kite atu I tō iwi e. Ka pia ia e tohu aroha. Hau kai ngā toru whā. I au e ni. Ka pai whānau, there's the whittle.
We're learning how to say our favourite time of year.
Ko te aha te tino wā o te tau. What's the best time of year? Rose, ko te aha te tino wā o te tau.
Ko te raumate te tino wā o te tau, nā te mea he wā kirehimete. Lots of us love summer.
Raumati, te tino wā o te tau, nā te mea he wā raumati poi whāna. Summer football. So they do winter football and summer football. True. Did I know that?
Emma loves to teach poi.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about hair oiling. In their cozy home in Kirikiriroa, Aria and Rohan sat on the floor with Nani and Mum. The air was filled with the sweet scent of coconut oil as the two wise women prepared to share a special family tradition with them. Nani smiled, her eyes twinkling. In our family, we have a secret for strong and healthy hair. The magic of hair oiling. Mum nodded. That's right. Oiling your scalp and hair keeps it shiny and strong. And it is also a wonderful way to spend time together. Aria and Rohan watched as Nani and Mum gently massaged warm coconut oil into each other's hair. It's like giving your hair a little spa treatment, Nani chuckled. Rohan grinned. Can we try it too? Mum handed them small bowls of coconut oil, and the family shared stories as they massaged the warm oil into each other's hair. Aria laughed. It feels so good. Nani explained, it's not just about making your hair strong, it's about taking care of yourself and enjoying these moments together. After the oiling session, the family gathered in the kitchen for a warm meal. Aria and Rohan couldn't stop touching their beautiful, soft, oiled hair. They felt like royalty with such shiny locks. Kua oti. The end.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha. No